What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when notification sounds are not working on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, check the silence mode switch located on the side of your iPhone, just above the volume buttons. Flicking the switch off will turn silence mode off, ensuring that sound notifications can be heard. It's a simple step, but it's often overlooked. Next, make sure that you don't have Do Not Disturb or any focus mode enabled, as these settings can silence all notifications. To check this, open up your control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. If you see that the focus mode is on, tap to disable it. You can also long press the focus mode to view and manage other modes that might be active. Another key setting to check is your notification volume. Navigate to your settings. Scroll down to Sounds and Haptics and find the ringtone and alert slider. Here, you can adjust your notification volume. If you have the Change with Buttons option enabled, your ringer volume will adjust along with your media volume, which might not be ideal. Consider turning this option off to maintain separate control over your notification volume. It's also important to ensure that sound notifications are enabled for the Messages app or any other app you're expecting notifications from. To do this, go back to the main settings menu, tap on Notifications, and then scroll down until you find the app whose notification sounds you're not hearing. Tap on it, scroll to Sounds and make sure it's toggled on. If the sound is toggled off, you won't hear any notifications. If these settings adjustments don't resolve the issue, a simple iPhone restart can often fix minor glitches that may be causing your notifications to be silent. To restart your iPhone, press the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until you see the Slide to Power Off screen. Drag the slider to the right to turn off your iPhone. Afterward, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo flashes back on. Upon a successful restart, any glitch or bug causing the notification sounds to disappear will be fixed. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.